Hello guys, welcome back to Phone Repair. Today we're gonna show you how to open this 12-inch iPad Pro. You need heating the device, the screen 90 degrees. After, you need to enter with an opening tools. As you can see, you need to go edge by edge. After you open, be careful, it's on your own risk to repair it because it's very hard as always. And now we are almost open. As you open, you need to twist like that the screen, and you need to remove it to the Face ID sensor, because in case you remove it and you broken, it's not possible to fix and the screen is gone forever. After you remove it, the plate inside and the two flat, and the game is almost over. Watch the video until the end, like, subscribe and ring the bell. Like this you won't lose it any update from us. Almost done, guys. You see it, and it's over. After you remove it, the glue from the frame, and the game is done. See you in the part 2 for watching how to fix it. Let's go!